Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to be discussing the concepts of special cases of factoring. The first one we're going to look at is a difference of two perfect squares. Now they don't always have to be perfect squares, as I will show you in the example videos, but for the concept purposes we're going to look at them as perfect squares. So anytime there's a binomial, meaning that there's two monomials, 1, 2, and they're connected by a minus sign, it has to be negative. It can't be a plus sign. They will always be factored into this form, x plus y times x minus y. So essentially you square root the first term and write it down twice, square root the second term, write it down twice, and then just put a plus in one parenthesis and a minus in the other parentheses. That's the only thing that should differ in the two parentheses. Okay? And also always make sure it's a minus sign. Some people unfortunately try it with the plus sign and then they end up getting some complex roots and wonder why they got some points taken off. Alright, then there's the perfect trinomial square. Again, these will each have their own example videos and it'll be much clearer. Right now this is just the concept. And the perfect trinomial square, PST, is going to be a quadratic, has this basic form here, right? And if you can take twice the square root of the first term times the last term and get the middle term, then it's a perfect trinomial square. Let's run that value again. Twice, so that's 2 times the square root of the first term times the square root of the last term gives you the middle term. If that's the case, you can always just factor that into the square root of the first term plus the square root of the last term, all squared. Okay? And in the example video, I will show you how to deal with negative signs. Alright? And that's basically it. I'm not going to go into too much detail. Make sure you check out the example videos and practice, practice, practice is the key. Thank you and have a nice day.